Compute total equity at 31/3/2012 if the following data is given for financial year 31/3/2012. Opening capital on 1/4/2011. Profits during the year. Closing creditors. Capital withdrawn during the year. Now, if you have to compute the total equity is basically the sum total of your liabilities to outsiders plus capital, right? So if you look at the above data, the liabilities, what is the liability that we have? The only liability which is there is closing creditors, right? Closing creditors, which is 20,000. So I have ticked this just to ensure that I remember that I am done with the adjustment for this. I don't need to do anything else. Plus capital. When I say capital, what do I mean? I mean the closing capital as on 31/3/2012. But where is the number which is given to me for closing capital? It doesn't seem to be, but there is some other data which is given to me, right? Now, as you all know, closing capital, as I had discussed in the previous video also, closing capital can be computed by taking the opening capital, okay, and adding to that the profits or reducing the losses. In present case we have profits, and reducing from that the capital withdrawn, right? Now my opening capital is given to be 50,000, right, which is this number. I'm done with this, so I just tick it off. Then the profits 20,000 plus 20,000. Then I'm told that the capital withdrawn during the year is 15,000. So capital withdrawn is what? It is to be reduced. Why? Because whatever money I had to receive from the business is reduced to that extent, minus 15,000. Once you do a sum of these three, 50 plus 20 gives you 70. 70 minus 15 gives you 55,000. Right? So basically what I have done here is I have computed the closing capital. Now if I put this figure in the closing capital here, okay, this is the closing capital. What do I get? I get 55 plus 20 or 75,000, right? And that is the total equity that I have on 31/3/2012. Fairly easy. Just that you need to give a catch as to what is the item that you need to calculate. With that, I come to the end of this video. If you like this, as always, my request is please hit the like button in the bottom of this channel, or the Facebook mark which is there on the website, wherever you might be watching this. Help us create an educated world by sharing this video with your friends on all the social medias like Facebook, Orkut, Google+, or any other ones that might be prevalent in your country. With that, I am signing off from this video. This is Arinjay, your tutor for this lesson. Have a happy learning, and we wish you all the success in life. See you in more lectures for accounting on a going forward basis. Thank you very much.